Hi everyone, I'm back to do a soap today using a Pringle container as my soap mould. I thought this would be really fun to try out and see if it works. I've got a funnel and I'm going to try and do some blue and white in this, and I'm not sure if I'll swirl it yet or just leave it in the circles, but we'll see how it goes. I've got a smaller amount of mixture and I'm not going to use goat's milk today because I'm a little bit worried about it overheating in the Pringles container. And the fragrance that I'm going to be using is some Cranberry and Fig by Brambleberry. I've just got my lye solution here and I'm going to start mixing it together with my oils using my whisk, just so it doesn't accelerate too fast. I have made Cranberry Fig before and I'm pretty sure it accelerates a little bit for me. My oils are quite cool at the moment, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 30 degrees Celsius, and my lye solution is 23 degrees Celsius and 74 degrees Fahrenheit, which is quite cold for me. So I'm just going to pour this down the side. And just slowly mix this in. It will emulsify fairly quick for me because of the cold and the amount of water discount that I do in my soap. So they've come together really quickly. I'm not going to put my fragrance in just yet because of the fact that it might accelerate. So I'll just divide this up. I've got my titanium dioxide, and the blue that I'm using is Catalina blue from my Mica obsession. It's a really nice blue. I will try and hold it up for you. I will need to stick blend the white in, so that's why I don't want to stick blend just at the moment. I think that's incorporated. I'll give it a good stir first. Okay. Now I want to do roughly half and half. And I'll just give the blue a stir first, just to make sure it's the colour that I want. Quite intense, which is fantastic, but I will stick blend that. And I'm going to put it into a container just in case it falls over. I'm a little bit worried about that. And put my titanium dioxide in this one. And I'll give it a blast. It is staying quite fluid, which is fantastic, probably because there is no goat's milk in this. I love making soap with goat's milk. It's just so much nicer on your skin, but because of using a mould that I haven't used before, I thought it was a really good idea just to be on the safe side. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see it going in there. But You'll see it when I cut the bar. So this has reached quite to the top, and I'll just lift this out slowly. Just to get the last of that soap out. And I will take it out and give it a bang down. I'm pretty sure that there'll be no air bubbles in this actually. So I'll place the lid on top of this one and just leave it on my bench top, and I'll be back in about 24 to 48 hours and see what our soap looks like. Hi everyone, I'm back. It's been 48 hours. After 24 hours I took the lid off the soap and just to let it dry out a bit more. It is quite firm, it's definitely set. And to get this out, I am just going to tear along the line. Hopefully it's not soft on the sides, but it smells really nice with that fragrance. Okay, it is a little bit bumpy there. So it's not coming out how I thought it would, and it's not ripping down the side, so I might just get a knife. So, before I take the bottom off, what's happened is the bottom where the white is has set really, really well, but the other parts of it with the colour has come off, and it feels firm underneath, but it's still not what I'd like on the sides, and it has got that big gash, which is such a shame. I'm thinking I might get a really clean cloth and just wipe over the sides to make it look a bit smoother. I'll leave that on the bottom just for now, just to hold it. So I'll do that and I'll be back in a second. I'll just measure this up. It's worked out about 7.5 inches, which is around 19.5 centimetres. And get my miter box. I think this would have worked out really well if I would have put it in the freezer. But I'll just see how soft it is at the moment, and I might have to leave it for a little bit longer. Oh wow, that looks pretty amazing on the inside. I'll give you a close-up look soon. I'll just pop these out. Definitely feels ready to cut. There we go. That's a really great pattern. I'm really happy with that. Well, they've all turned out really lovely. I am so happy that I gave this a try. I think what I will do next time is after 24 hours put it in the freezer. A few people have lined the inside of their Pringle container. I didn't want to do that this time, just to see what it was like. But I'm really, really happy with how this has turned out. The colours are fantastic. The fragrance is really nice. I think the bottom where there's a bit more separation, the lines are cleaner. So thanks for watching how I've made some soap using a Pringles container, and I'm hoping to do this quite soon again, and maybe line the Pringles container or put some sort of oil or something on the inside. But thanks for watching. See ya.